Are you looking to enhance your Toyota's audio experience? Well, look no further because the PowerBass OE652-TY 6.5 Coaxial OEM replacement speaker might just be the perfect solution for you. With its easy plug-and-play installation thanks to the included factory wiring adapters, upgrading your Toyota's sound system has never been easier. Let's talk specs. This speaker boasts a solid 60 watts RMS and 120 watts max power handling, ensuring clear and powerful sound reproduction. The 4-ohm system impedance means it's compatible with a wide range of Toyota vehicles, providing versatility and convenience. One standout feature of the OE652-TY is its 1-inch silk dome tweeter, which delivers crisp highs and adds depth to your music. Whether you're listening to your favorite tunes or catching up on podcasts during your commute, you'll appreciate the clarity and detail that this tweeter brings to the table. And let's not forget about the 6.5-inch subwoofer diameter, which strikes a perfect balance between compact size and impactful bass response. Say goodbye to muddy lows and hello to tight, punchy bass that fills your car with rich, immersive sound. But perhaps the best part about the PowerBass OE652-TY is its seamless integration with your Toyota's existing audio system. You won't have to worry about compatibility issues or complicated wiring diagrams. Simply plug it in and enjoy high-quality sound from the moment you hit play. In conclusion, if you're looking to take your Toyota's audio to the next level, the PowerBass OE652-TY 6.5 Coaxial OEM replacement speaker is an excellent choice. With its impressive power handling, crisp tweeter, and easy installation, it's sure to impress even the most discerning audiophiles. Upgrade your sound system today and elevate your driving experience to new heights. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.